Hey guys, today we're going to be learning about 6 or 7 things you should do before you take the SAT. So, the first thing you should do is try to master the test format. Now, because all future SATs or PSATs, you're going to have to take it on your electronic device. So, here is an example of an example when you're going to take it. So, in here, you're gonna have your timer. You're going to highlight like this, and you're gonna have your text on the left, question on the right, and it's usually only 4 multiple choices. And on certain topics, you should have the Desmos, and you should try to practice this Desmos too. Because topics like pre-calculus or like calculus, they're gonna have Desmos where if you click on more, it's gonna show a Desmos button where you can use Desmos. And also, you can have an unscheduled break, but it takes time, so we don't recommend that. Or, there's assistive technology, which you usually don't really need. And yeah. So on to our second tip, we're gonna review the highest yield content. And what that basically means is to just review the topics that are gonna be on the SAT and PSAT the most. And for things like that on math, it's gonna be things like functions and quadratics. And for the English section, it's gonna be grammar, that shows up a lot, and the main idea, which is good for if you want to read quickly. Third tip is to try to take at least one full-timed practice test, like a SAT or PSAT. So what I'm using now is the Blue Book, but you can also do this on College Board too. So it's a full-length practice test. It's where you just practice a test. As the name suggests, you can take PSAT related assessments or the SAT. And on the SAT, there's a lot, 3 essay practice ones, and whatever that many this is. And you could take those tests, and it helps build stamina and learn your pacing and just practice overall. So after you finish your SAT practice or PSAT practice, you just go over your mistakes and try to create a short list of your top 3 mistake patterns and try to practice and build on those specifically. This will help you get that 1600 and build up your score.